Hey everybody, I'm going to try something new this year and we're going to do some tutorial videos to help us with our first unit, which is the elements of art. I'm going to just start us off today with line. We're going to be making some anchor charts throughout our first unit. An anchor chart is going to be a piece of paper that gives you a definition and examples of what we are studying. So first, we're going to learn about line today. So this is my program called Procreate. This is something you'll see me use in the class. To start us off, we're going to be talking about line. So as an example, you can use line to create text. Okay. Notice how I did all of that with one single line. I'm not connecting the beginning and the end of the line because once I connect them, that turns it from a line to a shape. And I think that's really important that we know that. So we're gonna actually write down the definition of the word line. It's super simple. The definition of the word line is a mark between 2 points. Let's write it down. Great. If at any time the video goes too fast for you, you can always feel free to pause it and work at your own pace. Your goal is to get this anchor chart done by the end of class. If you do not get it done, then you'll meet with me personally and we'll figure out a time where you can get it done. This anchor chart is going to be super simple. The next thing we're going to do is just fill our page with different types of line with different examples. So to start us off, I'm just going to simply draw a long line and label it. That's a long line. And opposite of long, we have short. Label it. We have a broken line. Which is also known as a dashed line. So I'm going to write both names. I'm going to change my tool here really quick. Let's go with dry ink. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger because this is going to be an example of, I'm going to go up here and go back to my last tool. And that is a thick line. And I bet you can guess what the opposite of that is. That is a thin line. I'm going to go vertical with this line, go straight down. That's going to be my vertical line. And opposite of vertical is going to be our horizontal line. Similar to our broken and dashed line, we have a dotted line. This is something you will probably see a lot in school. All right, so we have our dotted line. Just if we add our horizontal and vertical together, we get something that looks like this, and that is known as a perpendicular. I'll grab my paper and move it down. Opposite of perpendicular is when you have two lines that never touch, and that means they are parallel lines. You have a diagonal line. I'll make this a little bit thicker. You have a spiral. You have a zigzag. And if you have just one kink in the line, that's going to be known as a tapered line. Means it goes off to the side. And then to finish us off, we also have a wavy line. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot one. We also have curved. Kind of like a rainbow. Okay? Now, all of these are different types of line. It's really important that you learn the different names and when to use these different lines, because it helps us have a college-ready description of our artwork when we begin to have discussions. So, I just want to stamp it home on how important lines are. Line is like the beginning of every creation, and it can be an outline, it can be a contour, it can be used to show moods, it can be used to describe emotions, light, dark. Basically, the most important element of art is line because of how versatile it can be to describe things. So, take the rest of class to copy this anchor chart. Once you are finished, let me know with a raised hand and we will figure out what to do. All right. Thanks for watching, y'all.